The story, The Four Seasons. My name is Sarah. I want to tell you about the weather and seasons where I live. In the spring, the weather is warm. Flowers start to bloom, and the trees become green. I like to play in the park with my friends. We fly kites and have picnics. Sometimes, it rains, but we wear raincoats and play with our umbrellas. Summer is very hot. The sun shines bright, and the days are long. I like to go swimming in the pool to stay cool. We also go to the beach. I build sand castles and swim in the sea. I eat ice cream because it is refreshing. In the fall, the weather gets cooler. The leaves on the trees change colors to red, orange, and yellow. I like to collect leaves and make pictures with them. We also celebrate Halloween and wear costumes. It is fun to go trick-or-treating. Winter is cold. Sometimes, it snows. I like to make snowmen and have snowball fights with my brother. We wear warm clothes like jackets, scarves, and gloves. At Christmas, we decorate the tree and give presents. Each season has different weather and fun activities. I enjoy all the seasons and look forward to each one.